In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the card color in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, ensure that you are logged into your Jira account. This is your gateway to all the projects and boards you manage. So unlock your computer, fire up your browser, and get into your Jira dashboard. You can find your login page at your organization's unique Jira URL. After you've entered your credentials, you'll be greeted with your projects. Next, let's select the board that you want to customize the colors for. Think of your board as a canvas, where you manage tasks and projects. Depending on how your Jira is set up, you'll see a list of boards displayed prominently on your dashboard. Take a moment to locate the specific board you want to customize, and give it a click. Once you have accessed the desired board, it's time to open it. This board provides a visual flow of your project status, making it easy to understand where things stand at a glance. You should see various cards representing tasks and issues. This is where the magic happens. Now look for the three dots icon located next to the name of the board. This is your gateway to additional settings. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will emerge, revealing various options for customizing your board. Navigate to Board Settings. This is where you will have the power to refine colors and other specifications. In the Board Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Card Colors. This is our next stop. By clicking on this option, you're opening up a world of color customization for your cards. Different colors can help you visually categorize tasks, making it easier for your team to identify priorities and statuses at a glance. After you've reached the Card Colors section, find the Select Method dropdown. Clicking on this will give you various methods to choose how you want to assign colors to your cards. Selecting the right method is crucial, as it will determine how colors are assigned based on various criteria like priority, assignee, or labels. As you explore the drop-down menu, you'll notice several options for color categories. Each option opens up new color choices that you can apply. Think about how these colors can represent different statuses in your projects, enhancing your team's workflow and communication. Next, you'll be clicking through options to see what colors are available to you. This might feel a bit repetitive, but trust me, it's important to explore every choice. You want to ensure you're happy with your final selection. Now, let's focus on personalizing even further. If your team uses assignees, you can click on Assignee in the drop-down to customize color options based on who is responsible for the task. This additional layer of organization helps everyone on your team quickly see who's doing what. Once you've checked out the Assignee feature, you can also modify the color for subtasks. Look for the subtask option and take a moment to set this color to something that resonates well with your overall color scheme for the board. Here's where the fun begins. Select any color you desire. By doing this, you're bringing a personal touch to your board. It's all about what makes sense for your team and project status. Don't hesitate to experiment. After all, you want your Jira board to reflect your style and organizational needs. Finally, you should see that your selected color has been updated successfully across your board. Take a moment to appreciate your work. The new color scheme should not only look good, but also boost productivity by promoting clarity. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the card colors in Jira. It's a simple process, but it can make a significant difference in how you and your team interact with your tasks. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!